Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to do another Thanksgiving dish. But this is what I decided to do because you've been all day cooking pies, cakes, and even sides and meat dishes for Thanksgiving. So I decided I did not do a bread dish yet, but I wanted something quick and simple. So I decided to have this jump in my pot, a 2 ingredient biscuit dish. Let's get to the ingredients. Self-rising flour and heavy cream. Those are the ingredients we will be using. I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper. And I have a biscuit cutter here. And let's start making the biscuits. We add the self-rising flour to the bowl, the heavy cream, and then we mix this up. We slowly stir it. Now, biscuit is a thing that you can't overmix it or it'll make it tough. But we got to mix it enough to incorporate all the ingredients. See? Now that we've mixed the dough, this is what we do next. I have some flour here to put on the board. I'm not going to roll mine out. You can roll it out. I presses mine out. I take my hand and press it out. Now I have the biscuit cutter. We cut them out. See? And we put it on the baking sheet. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Don't want to put them too close together. I'm going to do one more to show you, and then the rest of them I'm going to do off camera. See the biscuit? Now I'm going to put them in the oven to bake for 12 to 14 minutes. Here you have it, 2 ingredient biscuits. Enjoy. Now, after you have the leftovers from your dinner, you can eat the rest for breakfast with butter, jam, whatever you choose to put in it on it. Now, let me show you. This is the biscuit. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.